Morning, traders. Today is 28th December 2023. We are about to close the years in a positive trade. Okay. All right. So, quick disclaimer, guys. This information, the channel information provided. I'm really sorry. The information provided by this channel is only for educational paper trading only, and it is not considered to be any kind of advice or recommendation. You are responsible for your job. This and I'm here to give you the strategy. So if you're interested in what's going on later, please do not react later. Okay. So that's a very, very important quick disclaimer. Okay. So let's get back to the action. Okay, markets is gap up. Okay, 150 close to point. Okay, it's a pretty big gap up and what's happening? Okay, just give me a minute, guys. I'm just keeping things ready because of my system issue. I had to go through a lot. Okay. Market. Okay, we have a good up move coming in. अरे यार. Today is a weekly and monthly expiry. Okay, so careful, guys. Keep 48 100 CE in the watch list. 48 100 CE in the watch list. 450. We shall look for 450. Oh, where is my? Okay, 450. Okay, let's look it. Come on, load, 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 load. Okay, with my account. Whenever you do your okay, so that's a quick update. Hi Shiv, good morning. Hi Manjunath, good morning. Guys, I've shared a couple of trades in the group Profit Club. Just follow through. Just give me a minute. I'm adjusting something here. Mm, okay, so guys, 48 500 CE is a target open. Okay, it's a target open. So it's like 48 100 CE. Sorry, 48 500 CE. It's a target open. Okay. Because today, just give me a minute. I'm opening up the chart. Okay.
And yesterday's I the system, okay, but still I'm having a lot of clinch uh, even today. That's 48. 48 500 is target open, guys. Okay, you just have to uh trail your stop loss. Okay, this was an entry. Okay, okay, the first target is done and dusted, correct? Just say yes, guys. What was the entry? 180. 180 was an entry. Okay, so far he made 40 points in this, and this is target one is done and dusted. Okay, so trail it. Okay, so that's a quick update. So we are in two trades back to back. Okay, okay, 525. Okay, 525. Just book some and trail it. Okay, book some and trail it. Profit club, guys, you should be in profit. Even if you miss this trade, no problem. We still have till 3 o'clock. Okay, we should learn the art of patience. Okay, patience. Very important. 20 yesterday was 27, correct? 48 571. Okay, 48 dancing at 48 571. Okay, so 525 is a support level here. Okay, the pullback support level is 525, another 25 points if he wants to take a support. Okay, getting it, guys? Okay, super profit club, guys. Just book some and trail it up. Okay. Okay. Okay, so uh, did he tag this level? Mm, come on. Okay. Okay, we can look for one more re-entry. Let's plan, guys. Let's plan. Okay, so Profit Club guys, get ready. Okay, get ready. Typing is a big issue for me. Uh, 604, correct. Reply. Eight. Okay, so just third trade, wait for an entry. Okay, third trade, wait for an entry. Okay, superb, cool, nice. Hi, Gaurish, very good morning. Very, very good morning. Okay, where is? Today we started late. Actually, I started it late. That's where the lot of fudge. Mm, we will look into this stocks very, very shortly. Just give me a minute right after this. So market is at our support. Let's see how he reacts there. Okay, 526. Okay, he's at the support. So let's see. Let's give it some more time, guys. Let's give it some more time. Sabar ka phal paisa hota hai. So we need to be very, very careful. Excuse me. 391. Okay, 391. Wait, guys. Okay. Almost getting ready. Almost getting ready. Just give me a minute, guys. Mm, there's this guy. Mhm. Okay, 25, 26 is still rotating. We need to give some time. Okay, we should not do a Panic trade, okay, very important. I-30, रोटेशन है, बहुत रोटेशन है, hold it, hold it, hold it. रोटेशन है, बहुत रोटेशन है वहां पे, so hold करो. There was a quick scalp trade also there, but just give me a minute, guys. I'm working on something. So two trades so far is done and dusted. Okay, two trades. Okay, there's one scalp trade also we can try. Mm, okay, 1 minute. Huh? So, it is the guy. Come on. Mm, okay, 48 900 PE scalp trade can be done. Okay, 48 900 PE at 480. Okay. 6470 range right now. Okay, 936. Mm, A good rotation now. Just have tons of patience. Okay, just have tons of patience. Rotation है अभी, थोड़ा बहुत rotation है. Okay, 461, 464. Okay, so the scalpers who are working, you need to start booking your profit at 445. Okay, another 30 points down. Okay, 30 points down. 471 480 रेंज पे अभी यहाँ पे चल रहा है, so थोड़ा घूमने दो. ठीक है, थोड़ा घूमने दो. Still not triggered because there is a rotation level there. Okay, there's other rotation level. Let's wait for both C and P to get triggered. Correct, guys. Let's wait. So C is pulling up to our level 530 और वेट करेंगे थोड़ा और वेट करेंगे guys, can you hear me? Am I audible? Avoid Finnifty for now. Okay, avoid Finnifty for now. It's not voice to trade for now. Okay, another till O rotation complete करने तक. And remember, guys, today is a contract expiry, okay, and weekly expiry as well. So थोड़ा सावधानी से काम करना है. ठीक है, so yes, audible. Thank you, Prasanna. Thank you, Shiva. Okay, so let him rotate here. Okay, let him rotate here. It's still on the level. So और थोड़ा time देंगे. ठीक है. So 474. Okay. P is triggered. We have one rotation at the entry, guys. Okay. If in case if PE triggers, okay, in case which uh okay, market अभी भी rotation level पे ही है. Okay. 550. Okay. Superb, guys. Watch out for C entry. Okay. 48. Come कहाँ पर है? एंड एवरी टाइम जस्ट बी लिटिल केयरफुल क्योंकि जब भी आप स्ट्राइक को प्लान करते हो ना एक्सपायरी दिन, ओके, एक्सपायरी का मोमेंटम थोड़ा मिसमैच होता है, ओके, वेगा रो वैल्यू चेंज होते रहता है, सो यू शुड बी लिटिल केयरफुल ऑन दैट पार्ट, ओके। रोटेशन है, बैंक निफ्टी भी रोटेशन है, ओके। Okay, it's a stop loss hunt at the entry. Just watch out, guys. There is one stop loss hunt, okay? Just be little careful. Okay, 450, 446. Okay, 430, 441, okay? Just be careful, guys. यहाँ पे थोड़ा rotation है, okay? थोड़ा rotation है. It can be a stop loss hunt also. So just be little careful. Okay, this is a place where you need to trade with a less quantity. Once he breaks 600, okay, 600, this level, yes, we can expect a good momentum. Careful, guys, careful. There is a rotation here. Careful, okay? Re-entry is a good idea, actually. When it pulls back is a good entry. We can plan, actually. Okay, 437. Okay. Low he made was how much? 419. Okay, 440, 443, 450, 451, 453. Why did I ensure? Okay, target done. Okay, correct. I was looking here. Okay, as I said, did the market move, guys? Just say yes. Just say yes. I was looking in the other com and okay. Book some and trail it. Okay, book some and trail it. Still momentum is there. Okay, अभी थोड़ा picture बाकी है, but still stay in profit. 495 profit club, guys. ये पहले ही दिया था आपको. ओके 20 पॉइंट्स. ए वाला कितना दिया पहला वाला 260 180 से 260. दिस इज अ टारगेट ओपन वन, ओके. 588, ओके. रोटेशन इज देयर, ओके. और थोड़ा पिक्चर बाकी है सी का. बुक सम एंड ट्रेल इट. 488, 481, 479. Look at the momentum jump happening, okay? Pretty quick. I'm expecting 684 to be tagged, okay? So let's see. Okay, 510. First target done, guys. 510, first target done. I told you, no, some more movement is there. That is why you required a GPS. Agree? Yes, no? Okay, first target is done. Okay, the target is done. Profit club, guys. Absolutely, yeah. Thank you. We required a GPS because in my time when I was trading that time, I used to get a call from the guys like was that Sher Khan? Okay, I used to tell them, please don't stop calling me because they have their own targets. Okay, they have their own target, messy things because for them, the commission comes from every trade. Okay, that time the commission charges very high, guys. Okay, so I never used to get a proper thing. So on my work schedule, I used to do this also. I used to think, okay, I wish somebody can do during the market hours like this very long time back. I was like thinking, okay, so target is done. Okay, target this third target, three targets back to back. Okay, three trades. And this doesn't come like 1 month, 2 month, and all, guys. Stock market is like everyday new, okay, everyday new. It takes a lot of time and patience, and the right way of learning is very important. ऐसा नहीं कि यूट्यूब ब्लॉग करो जो भी हमें एक्साइटिंग लगेगा ले लो वैसा नहीं होता है स्टॉक मार्केट एंड कीप PE also in the watch list okay PE in the watch list okay profit club guys क्योंकि मार्केट यहाँ से पुल बैक होने का चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा है so let's give it a try for him there also if he wants to give a trade on PE अगर मार्केट देना चाहता है तो हम लोग ले लेंगे ठीक है ना what do you guys say if market is ready to give we should be very humble enough to take it correct बड़ी विनम्रता से हम लोग लेना चाहिए मार्केट से okay keep P in the watch list okay keep P in the watch list mm, Keep it PE, still not triggered. We will wait for it. Okay. In the meantime, if we get one more entry, we will look for it. Okay. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I'm looking on something. Any stock, drop a message, guys. We will look into it. Okay. Keep it in the watch list, guys. Just keep it in the watch list. Okay, it's coming down. Support level 256. हमारा level पे ही support ले रहा है, correct है ना? So let's mark him a pattern indicator. Okay, so this also we will discuss tomorrow's call. Okay, Friday का call बोला था ना? We will discuss on this pattern indicator, which is very important. Okay, so this also can somebody students who are there online, can you add this in the agenda? So if anybody reminds me, because I have few things to discuss. Okay, so I might forget. In case if I forget, just remind me. Okay, we'll discuss on this also. I'll teach you on this. Okay, and tomorrow, guys, I can only schedule a webinar. I don't have a recorder because मेरा system कुछ problem दे रहा है. Okay, so I have a problem with the recording and too much of memory. It's eating up. So you guys, I'll be very slow in tomorrow's webinar. Just write it down. Okay. because my recording is not working because of due to too much of reboot and system issue, internet issue, both are. I just want to sort everything by year 2023 and start afresh by 2024. Okay. Okay, a great learning from you has been the market rotates and have been learning to hold the trades. PLA affects the emotion big time, very much, very much. Emotion is the one thing, okay, which makes everything it's like sometimes it becomes like a bank nifty graph, okay, so it goes one haywire. Emotion will play with you like royal, okay. So exactly at a level is pulling back, okay. This is where once you identify the levels like this, okay, this will help you to do a scalp trade, especially for 10 to 15 points. First point. Second is targeted trades based on the volume where you can expect a good number of movement, at least 50 points. Okay, very important. Okay. Okay, just give me let's take a quick break, Shiv. Some background work is happening. I'll finish this. Book 25 points in the Bank Nifty C trade. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good one, Shiva. Good one. Mm, come on. Open up. Okay, what happened to the PE? Did PE get triggered, guys? I didn't check on that. PE, PE, PE. No, not yet. Okay, so PE got triggered and all the way it went mm, from 480 all the way it made 566. Correct? Okay, super. So this is also one of the trade. I hope that's why I told before the break. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Why my system is so slow, guys? Okay. It's almost 80 points, right? Almost 80 points. Superb, superb, guys. Superb. I hope you guys, Profit Club guys, made use of this also. Okay, so four trades back to back. Hardly how many guys? 1.5 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Roughly we are. Okay. There's some rotation, okay, on PE trade. Focus on PE, guys. Focus on PE. Let's see if we get one more entry. Okay, fifth trade. Okay, let's see if let's see for give me a minute. Checking. Okay. We have a trade in PE. Okay. Okay. Yes. We can expect. Come on, open up. Hmm. Which is a strike? We can look. Okay, 500. Okay, 500 is an entry. We'll look for a quick scalp. Okay. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? Just say yes. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible? Just say yes because I had a little connection issue. Got it right? 480 is currently is dancing. Okay. Wait for an entry. Wait for an entry, guys. Yes, yes. Okay, because Gaurish and Shiva, I'm having some issue. Okay, with my system where I have Wi-Fi 6 actually, which is like ultra fast wireless speed, which is a new device. Okay, but still, this guy is don't know why I'm having this issue. From past 1 week, I'm going through all this unwanted glitch. Okay, so that's the catch. Okay, so let's look for one more strike also. Any stocks, just drop me a message, okay? Any stock, drop me a message, okay? A super 480, okay? 480. We can plan on this. Volume is good. Today it's a monthly expiry, guys. When you have a monthly expiry, right? It's a different ball game actually. I'll teach you that also, okay? Don't worry. We will work on that also. It's a different ball game, okay? For me, looking at the strike, typing is the time consuming for me. Okay, I've given two strikes, okay, 48 900 PE and 48 800 PE. Okay, I'll give you the levels also. Just give me a minute. Let me finish doing some good job on Nifty. Nifty. I'm checking, buddy. I'm checking. I'm checking. Just give me a minute, buddy. Okay. We can expect a good entry, good trade in Nifty also. Mm, close by. Trade 387. Hold, guys. 387 and 470, 480. Okay, just hold, just hold, just hold, just hold. Mm, okay, 380, 37, 473 still rotating. Okay, still rotating, no entry. Mm, Guys, click on the like button and the subscribe. You know, it'll be, we will. Okay. Is this a problem with this guy or that guy? Just wait for the entry, guys. Okay, just wait for the entry. Okay. Mhm. This is mm, that's graphy. Okay, 483, 392. Okay. Application. It's almost coming to 400. Expired. Okay. Processing. Okay, 487, 486, 497. Okay. Okay, just keep an eye. Okay, triggered 56, 59, 511, 512, 513. Nice, guys. Just book some and trail it, guys. 48, 900. Just book some and trail it. Okay, just book some and trail it. Okay, 513. Okay, Art India. Okay, one moment. Mm, let me clean my watch list. How do you pronounce the name? It's okay. It's a double I. Okay. Art India is rocking. Okay. So this Art India is like there's one strategy. Okay. Okay. So is here is coming out. Okay. Exactly is pulling up. Okay. You can expect him to tag 650. Okay. 650 Art India. Okay. Art India. Mm, there is one pullback here in Art India. Gaurish, where is the chart? Okay, it has to break this resistance, then we can expect a good momentum here. Okay, you can also consider this as an entry. Gaurish, we have another 3 points momentum pending. Okay, just wait for the pullback. Okay, so I've shared the chart. Gauri, just keep an eye on the Art India. Okay, it is at 246. Okay, it's pulling back. So target is still pending. Okay, you can expect a good good trade there. So 49. Okay, Art India is to the target. Uh, Gaurish, just keep an eye on this. Mm. Got it. Okay, superb. Mm, where is this? 'I told Shiv book some and trail it. 48,900 entry at 500. I told why do you want to wait when I say listen to the instruction, please? It's in the. I told you right, Shiv. 48,900. It reached. I was giving a commentary and I told book some and trail it. We'll look for a re-entry later because you lose only the brokerage charges, but still you are in green, right? Okay, anyways, we'll look for a re-entry in the second one, okay? The second one is still not triggered, okay? Second one is still not triggered. Was that 48,800 PE? Just keep it in the watch list, okay? Just follow the instruction because see, market is we got triggered here, right? We got triggered here. He gave around how many points? He moved some points. Okay, let me tell you. Mm, I think he moved to 515. Yeah, 514, 515 range. Okay, 15 points. Still, the market was in the range, and if you see, the volume also came in. That's the reason I told book some and trail it. Otherwise, I would have told picture baki hai, ruko, right? So it's in the rotation. Okay, so let the rotation complete, and then we will look for one more entry in 48,800 PE. Shiv, because 411, okay, 411 and this 411, okay, and 365, okay, 365. These range are very critical when it comes to the expiry, okay. See, there is a different strategy to be used on the expiry day. Okay, totally different strategy to be used because why? The only reason behind is if you know this Greek trade, right? You can understand what I'm saying. The Greek value totally depends. It goes a where, okay, when it comes to expiry. So looking at that, so 411. and 365 are the two critical range. Okay, that's why I told look for PE trade. So in that it got triggered at 480, it went 560. I shared the screenshot in the Profit Club and in the free group also, right? So that got triggered. That chart cannot be plot on the Go charting. That's the problem because the Greek value is totally a different calculation from the order flow calculation. Okay. Till Nifty is down, guys. Bank Nifty is also down. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. I think. Mm, uh, this is 19. Okay. We still have downtrend. Okay, guys. Remember, we still have downtrend. Do you calculate the strength of the move based on the order flow, right? Uh, See, obviously it's on the order flow only, but today calculation, when you see what I was trying to tell you is 411 and 365. What I was referring to, that's the reason particularly I explained it is not related to order flow. It is related to Greek value. Why? Because it's expiry. Correct. The momentum, yes, it is calculated using order flow, and you need to have a right setting. That's very important. That's BN. That's okay. Where are you, buddy? Calculating with the Greek value, it is totally a different strategy. It is nowhere connected to order flow. Okay, so that should That should get you an idea. Okay, what does the timeline say? रोटेशन बहुत रोटेशन गाइस आज रोटेशन ज्यादा है थोड़ा संभाल के ट्रेड करो ओके सो रोटेशन वेयर इज माय ऑर्डर फ्लो ग्रुप ऑर्डर फ्लो ग्रुप ओके वेयर इज so again 500 503 still is rotating you need to break that level okay the moment you break this level okay 365 you will see a solid move of easily where you can avoid the strike okay so 48 900 white cuckoo is coming up see still at is in the level so that is why on the expiry day especially monthly expiry you need to be very careful why many teachers they say this is a main reason okay this is a main reason but market is still holding at the levels okay market is still holding at the level okay come on you can give the levels this level is a range bound level guys this level is a range bound level for Finnifty. How much time did you take you to master the order flow? Order flow. See, basically, Shiva, it is like uh, what do you say? I am a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. Okay, so uh, in 2010 or yeah, 2010. Okay, I took up this course due to my office. I was working as a project manager, okay, where I took up this course for a project requirement. I never had an idea, or I was nowhere interested into analysis. Okay, so I was never been interested into analysis of called mathematics. Okay, I'm a very weak student even in my school and college days. Okay, so I keep I used to keep very bad track on my accounts book. Okay, so accidentally, I have to take this Lean Six Sigma as a basic, like, it has a yellow belt, green belt, and black belt, and then you have a certain number of experience, you become a master black belt. Okay, so what happened is I just took up for the project requirements because as a project manager, there was some criterias where I need to sign up from the stakeholders from US. Okay, so they required a prerequisite. Okay, so I have to be a lean certified. Basically, I used to I took up this as a green belt. Okay, just to get the project done. So I took up this green belt, and then I attended some of the outside seminars and things like that. It was very interesting. Okay, it was very interesting for me, and you know, it was very nice to be with people where the people came in 2010. I'm talking about. I saw many of the directors like Infosys, and I'm just giving you a little bit background, okay, so you understand in depth of it. So I used to see Wipro, Emphasis. Basically, in Bangalore, it is a hub of IT, right? So big directors, they used to come and sit with me next to me, and we used to have a lot of what do you call uh, the exercise kind of things. Okay, so these guys, they came, we all did it, and it was very interesting for me in the initial days. Initially, I used to bunk the class. Okay, because being a project manager, somebody schools you for which you are not interested, you technically try to run away from there, right? So I used to do that basically. And one fine day, I thought, okay, let me sit just to have fun because big peoples are coming there. So I accidentally sat on that day. It was sounding very interesting for me because only reason what I got is every number has a story. Okay, every number has a story, and every story, if you go dig up it, it is like connecting the dots. Big thing. Okay, when it comes to the IT. Okay, so I started doing part-time work for my friends who are into Lean Six Sigma. Okay, they used to ask me, okay, RK, can you just do this analysis for me? There were about 148 charts. Okay, 148 charts, which basically I used to run around on that. Okay, so it was very interesting for me, and people, they used to give me, can you this is the data? Can you just get this data done? I am like, okay, done, deal for you, because I most of the time PMs are free. Okay, most of the time, not all the time. Okay, we should never let the secrets out. So I used to help them, and then it became a part of very habitual. And then parallelly, I used to get a call from this tiger, Sher Khan. Okay, I used to get a call, and one guy, he says, sir, सिर्फ 500 लगेगा आपको अकाउंट ओपन करने के लिए, और कुछ नहीं है. I'm like, okay. So that time the YouTube was not that big boom. We used to get movies from torrent. Remember, if you could recall 10 years back, 10, 15, 13 years back, torrent was like big hub. Okay, so all the offices used to install this firewall and third parties to avoid watching movies in the IT companies. Okay, so what I used to do, I used to like to kill the time. Okay, let me try this also. 500 ही तो जाएगा ना, और कुछ नहीं है, सो 500 तो अ, ऐसे ही खर्चा हो जाता है. So let me invest on this. Just to open an account, it was a 500. Now it is totally free. Okay, and brokerage charges also used to be very high that time. Okay, so thanks to Zerodha, who came with a discounted trade and discounted things and all. After that, due to competition, you will see a lot of free discounted package trades, all that popped in. Okay, So what I did, I was like, okay, let me try. And there was one stock which I want to share. Let me show it to you. This is my this stock will give you Bajaj Fin. Where is this? I want to open an equity, okay, not this one. You know, Bajaj is a brand, right? You guys know Bajaj is a brand that time, even now. We will get a trade, guys. Don't worry. Let the momentum complete, okay? Freak moment, okay? Let me put 6 months back. This stock you see in 2010. Why did I open this guy? Not this stuff, guys. Where's my portfolio? Hey, already there. One sec, guys. I'm just pulling out this guy. Okay, I'll just show you. It was around hardly about now it is 13,000. Okay, 1100. Okay, sorry, 11,000 actually. So this was one of the stock. I'll show you the stock. Okay, I'm just pulling my. I have to log into my portfolio. Okay, so I predicted that this guy can go 10 times. Okay, and that was a proper analysis. But stock market मुझे uh, basically what I would say it's like a China mall. Okay, stock market is like a China mall for me that time. It's like माँ बाप कोई नहीं है चाइना का तो चाइना माल का तो वारंटी गारंटी कुछ नहीं है ना correct. So it was like that for me. But investing very little money was okay for me because that time not big purchase, bachelor life, things like that. So that is where I took up this trade share can Demat account and started working it out. Okay, and parallelly I'm searching my portfolio. Okay, so that became a very habitual for me. And I would say to thanks to my friends, okay, who gave me this, used to give me, RK, if you're free, just can you look at this? I'm like, okay, let me do. And I used to do a lot of process mapping also, like BPO, call center. I used to help them. And where is this guy? Okay, so portfolio. Okay, so I used to do that, and that became so habitual for me. Uh, that stocks. It became so habitual. I used to do a lot of XYZ work. Like, do this, why not do that? Brainstorming. Basically, in one part of the Lean Six Sigma, you have six hats. Okay, different kind of a mentality, different kind of a mindset. People, we used to take them in the conference room, try to drill ourselves. It is part of my what do you say, part of my project management work. So that became a very big good opportunity for me to discuss a lot of analysis. And moreover, 140 charts mastering was not a joke. But yes, it was very interesting because I like colors. Okay, and then I thought, okay, let me try to do something. So that is when the from 2000, I think in the end of 2010, I opened a Demat account and got slowly. And order flow, mastering a order flow, trust me, Shiva, it was a cakewalk for me. Okay. Actually speaking, it was a very easy cakewalk for me because I was already into it. If you're already, into acting or something, acting in another movie, you can do it in one shot, right? You don't require a retake, correct? Something like that. So that is where order flow was a very easy cakewalk for me because order flow was trying to give me the data. Okay. Here in Lean Six Sigma, what you do, you forecast the data, correct? You were predicting the data, keeping the current data, which is like, based on the people centric. I hope you're able to get it. Okay. Okay. So where you can connect the dots. It's a people centric. Here, what happened in stock market when I saw, I used to, you won't believe, if I buy some stock, okay, immediately it used to fall. I was like, ये कौन है बदमाश ये सेल पे आ गया जब मैं खरीदता हूँ. So those kind of very good words I used to use. Okay. Uh, so one sec, guys. So those kind of a very nice jazzy words I used to. And then I was like, when I buy, it falls. When I fall, if it's falling, when I buy, it goes up. Okay. So that's when I understood stock market is basically works on two things. So one is your emotion. Okay, it purely works on your emotion. Second thing is your risk management. Okay, okay. If the market is reversed, this is where I take it out. It is basically like a business you need to treat. Demat is becomes the moment you open a demat account, you become a business guy. Okay, that way you can analyze. When you think as a businessman, it's very easy to look at the market as a business, right? Business में balance sheet, portfolio, liabilities, ऐसा कुछ होता है ना. And second thing is emotion. Okay, emotion works big time because the moment uh, you see some losses, right, you get panic. But when somebody makes profit, nobody says, "Sir, I made this profit. This is a screenshot." But if it is a loss, they like fire up. Oh, this is the thing. This is the thing. This guy made me loss. That guy made me loss. Let me write to SEBI. Let me write to YouTube. Let me write to put it in the group. Let me put it in the website. They overreact, right? Even I used to do that. Okay, that time SEBI was not that strict. Trust me. Uh, SEBI was there. Okay, but it was not that great strict. But now what we do, the moment it is lost, we react. Emotion. Okay, so I understood the concept of emotion. But in order flow, what happens? You get the realistic data here as a market order. Okay, remember this. If you, what I understood as a market order is like how you buy randomly, like, market upar ja raha hai, le lenge. Okay, so it's like a impulse trading happening there. Okay, and yes, some of the tools like Fibonacci, sometimes it helps for you in order flow. They are the supporting tools. Okay, like somebody asked me Iliot. Yes, that also works very well. But only thing you should know where are the 5 points and 5 and 3 points to do. It works really good, trust me. But it takes time also. So I don't use generally for intraday basically. Okay, so and then order flow. Since background from the Lean Six Sigma, it was a very easy cakewalk for me to pick it up. And what do you say? The moment I saw the order flow, the live data it is putting, right? If you see, for example, here, okay, you see here, it is 12K buyers, okay, 12,000 buyers. If you look at the Shiva, you have 8,000, okay. If you calculate overall, okay, many people they miss out. They see the only the candle. They miss out the wick because wick is very small volume. Okay, small things can create a big difference in your life. Okay, so here if you see 12, here if you see 8, what they see 8 and 12, they see they miss out all the small छोटा छोटा बच्चे को छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है, so here if you see 3K, yes, it is falling. Okay, so this kind of a live data, it triggered me like more curious, like why it is happening, why not this way, why not that way, why I'm not getting a limit data, like the limit order, how you started trading it. So वैसा कुछ क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? So I have this why questions in my mind all the time. Okay, and I learned one lesson from my guru. Okay, my guru, if he sits on one particular painting, even today, okay, he works continuously with no food, no sleep, whatever he gets, he eats. Okay, he plays some nice music. mild music, and he sits for 40 hours. Okay, that is how I learned from my master. If he sits on any task, guys, even a hotel construction or a art or a sculpture or a meditation or dhyana, whatever it is, okay, if he sits on that till he accomplish, even if it is 40 hours or 50 hours, he just takes a break, again he comes back, okay, again he's on for it, okay, till he finishes the task, he never comes out of it. He's that ziddy he is. So having a good master like him, whenever I meet him personally, he says one word, "Bacha, mehnat karna hai. You have to do something." So it all depends on the group of people who you are with. Especially, see, we don't share much of the personal things with parents, right? We grow up at certain level. Friends, they play a phenomenal role after that, right? We get influenced very fast. But when you have a good group, okay, and especially a master who can guide you with his experience, okay, is amazing. So I used to always watch him, okay, I used to watch him, like, what is he doing, where is the end point is coming. He doesn't preach his people, okay, unless and until he knows about it, he never opens his mouth. And if he wants to know something or accomplish something, he gets into it. That is how I adopted that attitude. Like when I got into this order flow way long time back, I went to many people, okay, many people learning this, that. Then I thought, okay, why not I sit? So I sat like 3 to 4 months continuously on order flow. Okay, so it's like no proper food. It's having a very limited data of Tata Docomo. We used to get like 500 or 600 MB, things like that per day data limit, and sit in my office and download all the brochures, everything, come back home, okay, sit in the midnight and study, okay, because night is the only time your mind really works because of you know the waves and things like that. So I used to sit like 3 to 4 months on one particular strategy. A lot of back test I used to do. Okay, this one is done. Okay, next one, next one, next one. So it took time for me. Like, you can't use the same strategy all the time. That is very important as a day trader, as a short term or an investor. Okay, no strategy works. Okay, no strategy works, and all the strategy works. That is the bottom line I concluded. So what makes that strategy or what doesn't makes that strategy is you. Okay, you have to sit and ensure what are the pros and cons. Okay, what are the pros and cons in that particular strategy, and what is that better nourishment or improvement you can do, right? It's like ITL, okay, it's like a service improvement, the five chapters in that. So it's like it went on, okay, because one thing I like stock market is not the same story. It's always new, okay, it's always new. Charts are new, levels are new, okay. Many people, they predicted that market will fall, but very few people, they told that market will rise, okay, market will rise. So I was like thinking, why the market is rising? If you see from 10 years, the market is good even in the time of corona. Why? Because we have a very good leadership right now. Leadership in the sense, I say, when it comes to India, not the local state, okay. So we have a very good leadership, so it has other influence also. So when you have certain level of influence, like, what are the percentage of influence it will have on Nifty, right? So I used to work on little by little, little by little, little bit. Yes, tapas on order flow, amazing focus, yes. So I would say the focus came to me is all looking at my master. Okay, so I always keep him in my meditation every day, and I thank him because today, see, I'm sitting and giving a trade. Okay, people, they learn from me. Okay, they try to get something from me. I'm in that position because of his grace. Okay, so things like that. So that's how I started my stock market. It's a short story. And today, order flow, if you say I am mastered, I'm really thankful to you for using that word, but still I'm exploring. And that all came from Lean Six Sigma, like in 2010, and the interest influence, right? One or the other influence, interest. And I am also an interior designer. Basically, I used to be like 3 to 4 hours free. So I used to, rather wasting that time, I joined this institute called Idea, and I used to go there and come, like, learn something. Okay, so I have a curiosity of learning something. So that is how one by one, I landed up in today's level. It takes time, okay? It takes time. Uh, it's all about your mindset. One thing that is why I say most of the time, look the stock market as okay as a kid. So kid is like something always surprises you, correct? So you need to start looking at the stock market as a kid where you should be happy, like, wow man, something new I'm learning. Wow, why this level? Like, wow, like, that wow feeling. So that keep you driving to be more innovative. Okay, I would say that is how things started, and still mastering on order flow is in WIP status. Okay, so what's happening here? Uh, you have explored many aspects and dimensions. Still, I'm going on. Okay, I'm going on. I'm waiting. All this explore when you use the word. It started in 2012 for me when alone I went from Bangalore to Mahakumbh Mela, okay, which is happening next year. Okay, so I went alone, and every my friend, okay, all my well wishers, they told me one thing: don't get. And that was a spiritually changing for me. That moment gave me a lot of changes. Okay, so it's like what do you call dimension? When you see, you have a lot of dimensions. Still, I'm exploring. So it's like a good note to hear that exploring a dimension, but still, uh, I'm in the learning in process. So that's why. Yes, spiritually, you need to be strong when you are in a stock market. Trust me, guys. Not only for Shiva, everybody. If you are in a stock market, spiritually, you need to be strong. How strong you are, it depends on you, because spiritually, you can't measure a person. But yes, only your master can tell what is required, what has to be, like, what are the areas can be improved. Only the master can tell. So it's very, very important to have a foot or a footprint in the spiritual. And spiritual is not a one day journey. It is not a one mandala or something like that. It is an ongoing journey. So I would say wait for it. I would say enter into the spiritual, start meditating, start exploring. Then you can success in stock market, because your emotion can be you will understand what is the emotion. First thing, you should understand what is the emotion. Rather somebody, your brother or your sister, your friends, your mom and dad telling it, you should identify what is your emotion. So that way, when you travel inside, right, when you start meditating on certain Kriya Yoga or Kundalini meditations, or whatever you feel like comfortable, you will understand what is my emotion, right? Once you know the emotion, the solution is within you, right? You can handle your own emotion because you have the solution, because you know you have the question, you have the answer, because the victim is you, right? So that's the catch. Okay, Aditya, I understand I spoke a lot. Okay, any entry in Bank Nifty in P side? Yes. Expecting Bank Nifty to fall, okay, to come back. Okay, there is one stop loss and happening. Okay, we need to give little more time. If what do you call? Let me check. Okay, right now it is still in the consolidation phase. Okay, the Bank Nifty and Nifty, Finnifty. Okay, give it little more time and wait for the levels on PE. Okay, wait for the levels on PE. If it is truly reversible, then yes, we will plan on C because it's an expiry. Okay, right now, uh, it's not a. Ideally, you should not trade now. Ideally, you should watch the market. Okay, watch the market, and especially on expiry, 1 year two trade is more than enough. Make sense, Shiva? What I spoke? Okay, spoke a lot. Okay, fine. Okay, let it rotate, guys. Little more. We still have a trade. We'll figure out. Don't worry. Let's give little more time. Okay, little more time. Okay, so let's take a quick break, guys. Spoke a lot. Let's take a quick break and be back. Yeah. Since day one, I never seen you put a wrong foot. You're always with the flow of a market. Yeah. Thank you.